This race car only did a drift, and the event organizers were so scared they cried. In an era where paddle shifters are standard, Jack's Toyota 86 is a manual car with insufficient horsepower. Such low-to-the-ground drifting is something that can only be done with special effects in films, yet it appeared in the MFG race. But this is not all of Jack's abilities. At first, no one expected much from him, and the coach even reminded Jack to drive slowly. But as time passed, they noticed Jack's ranking had moved up from last place to 54th. They thought the system was malfunctioning, as such issues often occur. However, the Toyota 86 speed remained constant. Even during the drift, there was no slowdown. 2.5 seconds later, his ranking moved up to 53rd. Not only that, the system had singled out Jack's car, which only happens when the system identifies a dark horse. The coach was also puzzled. Over 200 cars participating had more horsepower than this car, yet Jack was only starting to get familiar with it. He told his coach that he would increase the speed from now on. The coach was surprised. Jack wasn't driving at full speed yet? After Jack took the first corner of the second lap, he realized that the car's brakes and balance were perfect. His ranking improved to 50th. The higher-ups at MFG, upon seeing this, never expected a first-time racer to make it to the top 50. He called the top leaders to report the situation, but the leader just told him to pay more attention. Soon, the car entered the final timing section. This section had an elevation difference of 864 meters, and was a steep slope. Still, Jack remained calm. Faced with a naturally formed road, he was very relaxed, and with each checkpoint, his ranking improved by 1. The coach was sweating nervously. Jack took advantage of the car's tendency to skid, deliberately drifting through the corners. Although this could result in a crash, Jack's excellent driving skills made up for that shortcoming. The commentators also pointed out that Jack's driving method was extremely dangerous, because the last few kilometers were through a misty deep mountain. This area was always covered by dense fog, with visibility close to zero.